Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the top hotels in New Kingston, Jamaica. Now New Kingston is the business center of Jamaica. This is where you find all the major financial institutions, and it's such a busy area that you have a lot of hotels. So we're going to look at the top hotels, and straight ahead is the Courtyard Marriott. It's one of the newer hotels in Jamaica. So this is the entrance to the hotel here. This is the Courtyard Marriott. And a lot of major hotel chains have locations in Jamaica. But these are more business oriented hotels. Alright, so we're going to take a look at some of the others now. Okay, the next one we're going to look at now is the Jamaica Pegasus. And that's the building straight ahead. And this is one of the older hotels. I think it was built in the 1970s. The Marriott opened recently, so it's one of the newer ones. But the Pegasus is still one of the top hotels in New Kingston. So we're going to take a quick tour through the Pegasus. And then beside the Pegasus is the Courtney. So we'll take a look at the Courtney, and then we'll take a look at some of the others. So we're going to take a quick tour through the Pegasus Hotel now. And the Pegasus is actually the tallest building in Jamaica. This is the entrance to the Pegasus, or to the main lobby. Alright, so that's the Pegasus. We're going to take a look at the Wyndham now. And straight ahead is Emancipation Park. It's one of the nicer parks in Jamaica, well maintained. Okay, so right beside the Pegasus, you can see how close these hotels are to each other too, is the Courtney. And the Courtney is actually going to be straight ahead. That white building used to be the Wyndham, but it no longer operates as the Wyndham. It was bought out by the Courtney Group, and it's going to reopen as a part of the Courtney Hotel. But it's still being renovated. So this is the Courtney Hotel now. And this hotel is open for business. It's up and running. And there you can see the Wyndham right there, so they will actually share one property. It's just that white wall separating both properties. But as we said, that hotel straight ahead, it's under renovation, so it's not operating now. So this is the Courtney. And to give an idea just how close all these hotels are, that's the Pegasus. Okay, there are two other major hotels in New Kingston. We have the Spanish Court Hotel and we have AC Hotel. So let's take a look at those two quickly. And the Wyndham, or this white building that used to be the Wyndham, is actually the second tallest building in New Kingston and the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. So the tallest building in Jamaica is a hotel, not on the north coast, ironically. That's where you find most of the large hotels. It's a business hotel in New Kingston called the Pegasus. And the fourth tallest building in Jamaica is also a hotel located in New Kingston. Okay, on the left is the FedEx location and on the right is the New Kingston police station. Okay, straight ahead at the end of this road where you see that orange building, that is the Spanish Court Hotel. Okay, so that's the Courtney Hotel on the right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll do a part 2 and include some of the other hotels like the AC Hotel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.